have been witnessed profound development. Every field of our has been witnessing some kind of development. With the that of this talent growing. So the attitude of an entrepreneur is the dictation of the people and entrepreneur, which has time to maintain and how to behave in certain circumstances. For example, Mario and her husband together founded the Farm for Meetings. They know themselves in getting the business on the farm game, short term for CPE. Unexpectedly, Arjuna started leading Mario, the landlady, and unsure of how to lead this campaign. Then Mario, with her formation refinance, took a brief from me until the food was strong. She determined to follow her husband's legacy and started a bid to build up the White Coffee game. In the name of adversity, she developed the renewed purpose. She moved forward in expanding the White Coffee game by opening a new shop and pouring and these wrong ideas to back the government. Throughout all, she has been so impressed to prove their purpose. She has been witness to uphold the commitment of quality, community, and hospitality. After meeting she also uses the reputation of an visionary leader in the hospitality industry, which shows that with unwavering dedication of excellence and a ability to draw respect from others. As we know, it has now become a platform not only for students for education and also for a bigger thing for all the people to come and learn. So, attitude is not only being positive or negative, it also means adaptable and willing to learn and grow. Entrepreneurial entrepreneurship uses a strategic approach to tackle the challenges, which brings more passion, more enthusiasm, and with a lot of ideas to tackle the problem and feeling looking forward to balance the structure into an enthusiastic way so that others participate in future. Some of the other examples of innovators and entrepreneurs are each of them are the founder of Happy and everyone who is a name of Islam. So we got that and who is all for this business of the house. So with this management, this law of royal factors can make the innovator to a future level. Now India has been witnessed to this research of developing an entrepreneurship who has been launched during the capital school of students for taking and changing their ideas into a successful venture. For example, Vijay Shekhar Verma, who is a creator and founder of Paytm, one of the leading digital payment platforms in India. It has now become one of the most popular digital payment platforms. It has started the company in 2010, but now it has achieved a major growth in the digital payment platform company landscape. So, attitude is not only about attitude of income in the quantity of attitude plays a simplicity for innovation. It also plays a major role in shaping the success of a small business. As well as Robert has already said that hope for the best and become for the best. India is enriching with large student fraternity, so the right power and the right guidance, the next generation of our children can lead to the active and follow Indian Space Research Scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In conclusion, I would like to include my deepest gratitude for all of you for your presence during the speech and also for the staff for giving this opportunity